Good morning, dear students. Today's topic of discussion is capital market. As you all know, financial market is of two types, money market and capital market. Earlier in my previous class, I discussed with you about money market. Money market is that which deals in short-term securities. And today I will discuss with you second type of financial market, that is capital market. Capital market is that market which deals in medium term and long term securities like your shares and debentures. They are issued and traded in capital market. Now students, I will discuss with you features of capital market. So student, the first feature of capital market is mobilization of savings and channelizing them in most productive uses. Students, through capital market, households can make their savings mobile. Whatever surplus savings households are having, they can channelize their savings in big companies in the most productive uses, and their money by investing in companies is utilized for production activities, which leads to the economic growth and development. So through capital market, households are investing their money in big companies that is used for production work. It leads to economic growth and development. Second is, it has two components. Capital market have two components, that is primary market and secondary market. Third is, capital market major participants are corporate entities, stock exchanges, development banks, commercial banks, financial institutions, foreign investors, retail investors and public. These are the major participants who deal with the capital market. Next is, an ideal capital market is that market which is able to arrange finance at reasonable cost. You can consider that very capital market as ideal market from where you can get finance at reasonable cost. Next is, the process of economic development is facilitated by existing of well functioning of capital market. It means that capital market is the base of economic development. If our capital market is functioning well, we can say there will be economic development of country. So capital market should be free, fair as well as competitive and transparent. Then only our economy can grow. So students, these are the 5 features of capital market. So what we have studied till now, we have studied that there are two types of financial market. Financial market is that market which creates and exchange financial assets. It is of two types. First is money market that deals in short-term securities like treasury bill, commercial paper, coal loan, certificate of deposit and commercial bill. And second type of financial market is capital market, which I discussed with you right now. This is a market which deals in medium term and long term securities like your shares and debentures. Now students, I told you among the features of capital market that capital market has two components. It is of two types. First is primary market and second is secondary market. Now I will tell you about primary market. Primary market is that market which deals in new securities. In this market, new securities are issued. That's why this is called as new issue market. If any company has issued new securities in the market, this activity is called as activity of primary market. So after meaning, I will tell you some features of primary market. First is, through primary market, people can transfer their surplus savings in the business organizations. households who are having surplus savings, they can transfer their savings to the entrepreneurs. It leads to the establishment of new business or expansion of the existing business, which leads to the economic growth of the country. Second is, major participants of primary market are banks, financial institutions, insurance companies, mutual fund companies and public. In primary market, equity shares, preference shares, debentures, loans and deposits are issued. So, these type of securities, equity share, preference share, debentures, loans and deposits, these are issued in primary market. Next is, money raised through primary market is used for new projects. New projects can be started with the money raised through primary market or expansion of the existing business. There can be diversification or modernization of existing projects, or there can be mergers or takeovers. So these activities are performed normally through issue of securities in primary market. So student, this is all about primary market. Now students, second type of capital market is secondary market. Secondary market is that market which deals in buying and selling of existing securities. Yes students, when securities are issued for the first time, this is called as primary market activity. And after issue of security, when someone has purchased it, and after purchasing, if he is selling such securities to another person, so that activity is considered as the activity of secondary market. That's why it is said that secondary market is that market which involves buying and selling of existing securities. Now I will tell you the features of secondary market. Secondary market can also be called as stock market or stock exchange. Secondary market helps the existing investors to disinvest and new investors to enter the market. Secondary market helps existing investors to disinvest their securities. It means if any investor wants to sell its security, he wants to convert his security into cash, he can sell the security to another person. So when he is selling his securities to another person, it is called as disinvestment. And when a new person is purchasing such security, that person is called as new investor. It means new investor is entering the secondary market. Next is, it provides liquidity. Yes, secondary market provides liquidity to securities. By selling them to someone, they are converted into cash. So conversion of securities into cash is called as liquidity. Secondary market also provide marketability. Marketability means buying and selling of existing securities. So in the secondary market, you can buy or sell your securities. So in this way, secondary market also provide marketability to existing securities. Last feature is, secondary market also contributes in the economic growth by channelizing the savings of households into productive uses through disinvestment. Through disinvestment means through selling their securities, and through reinvestment. Reinvestment means whatever amount is received by investor by selling his security, that amount is again invested in any productive use. This is called as reinvestment. So through capital market, people disinvest their money and then reinvest their money in the productive uses. It leads in the economic growth of the country. So these are the features of secondary market. So student, you have to learn this chain, that there is a financial market, and financial market is of two types, that is money market and capital market. And capital market is again of two types, that is primary market and secondary market. So I hope students that today's topic is clear to all. Even then, if you have any doubt, discuss with me. Thank you, students.